Hey, sixth graders, this is Mr. Johnston, and I am doing a screencast for you because we did something today in class, and you need to make sure you do it so you don't miss out. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your kid blog, like you normally do. You're going to click on this thing up here, this K up here, and then what you're going to do is over on the right-hand side, you're going to go ahead and use the join code. You're going to add a join code. This says join codes because that's what this is. You're going to click Add Join Codes, and you're going to use this one right here. So what I might do right now is go ahead and log in, get your Add Join Codes up, and then bring this back up so you can see what it is. Anyway, after you do that, you're going to go out. You're going to click out of here. You're going to go back to and you're going to pop up with something that says Slice of Life Challenge. And this is everybody, so don't worry about that you don't see this. But you are going to see this one. And so you're going to click on this. Yep, this is called the Slice of Life Challenge 2019. So you are going to read this, and I'm going to highlight the good parts here. You're going to read, and you're going to go ahead and blog every day in the month of March, 31 total blogs. This is a have to kind of thing right now. This isn't a, oh, do I have to do this? Yeah, you do. You're going to blog 31 days. You can blog about anything because it's a slice of your life. Now, it has to be at least 6 sentences long. It has to make sense. It can't be little kindergarten, first grade sentences. It has to be 6th grade sentences long. It can be longer than that. I've had people who have used this as a way of creating a story. So they have written March 1st, this is the beginning of my story, and then gone all the way to the 31st where the story is done. We've had people that have put up a Google Doc and they said, you know what, I'm going to write everything right now. So all I have to do is cut and paste and put in. If I'm on March 22nd and I'm at home, I can pull up my Google Doc, cut my Google Doc for March 22nd, paste it into KidBlog, and then I'm done. However you do it is how you do it. But you are looking at 31 days. Now, if you get 31 days, down here is the prize. 31 days, you get lunch. Everybody goes to the lunchroom and they have popcorn shrimp, or they have a pork chop on a stick, or they have something that is not appealing to you. You get pizza. Godfathers or Casey's will get chips, and we'll get pop, and we'll get a little dessert in there. Excuse me. All of that will be yours if you do 31 days. If you do 20 to 30 days, you forgot a couple of days. Oh, darn it. You still get something. You get homemade bread and honey, and I bring butter in as well. It's a favorite at our house. Or you get snickerdoodles. So I'll have a big old pile of snickerdoodles, or you can have some cookies. You get to pick them. 10 to 19 days. Oh, geez, you just kind of blew a whole bunch of stuff. You get bread with honey. Sorry, you don't get to pick anything. And then if you just do 1 to 9 days, you get a cookie. Just one. It's better than nothing, that's for sure. So there it is. The Slice of Life Challenge. And the problem with you guys is we start tomorrow. So if you're planning on getting all 31 days, that means you've got 3 days right now in a row that we don't have school. So you got to make sure that you are getting logged in. It cannot be posted until tomorrow. So if you log in right now and get everything done, you have to wait until tomorrow. So it says March 1st. It's been timestamped March 1st. If it was timestamped before that, it doesn't count. If it's timestamped after that, it doesn't count. So on March 17th, if you forget to do it, you can't go back and redo it. You just have to deal with the fact that, darn it, I've missed a day. If you've got any other questions or this isn't working, let me know. I'm going to be here at school until 8 o'clock, and then I'll be on my computer tomorrow from time to time because I'm also participating in this. There's a website that I can go to participate as well. Otherwise, good luck. Think about what you can write about. Your favorite kind of things, your least favorite kind of things. What did you do over the weekend? What's a favorite game that you have? What do you like to do when it's raining? What do you like to do when it's snowing? What's a summertime activity that you miss right now? There's a whole ton of stuff you can write about. Like I said, any questions you have, let me know. Otherwise, we will look for your first blog tomorrow.